Hi guys, this is my first video, unboxing video, and for my first purchase for this video I have chosen Casio GA-1000 1AER. I have planned to buy those watches before. Firstly, I have planned to buy Seiko Monster, but some people on forums about watches have changed my mind and told me that those watches cost themselves and pretty cool. So I have bought it. It is here. I have not seen that before, so my expression today and my opinions would be the first glance on those watches. So let us unbox this box and take a look on our pearl inside. This is my knife. Come on, I have waited long. Okay, we're almost inside. Oh, what is this? Okay, one more box inside. Okay, let's go inside. This is a standard DVD box. Okay, this is my dog. She has also inspected those watches before. Okay, and here we go. This is the box of Casio. Some stuff inside there. Let me take it. Don't know what is this. Don't know what is this. It seems like from the shop where I have bought it. Okay, that's all. Let's take a look. What is this? Seems like it is guarantee. Okay. Okay, this is not neat. So let us go inside. It is a standard box from the paper. Nothing interesting here. Here we have international warranty card from Casio. With some instruction inside, different languages here. This is a guarantee card. It is international, like I said. Some more paper. Now we have a pretty big book here. It is an instruction as well. Okay. And finally, here they are. Oh, no, not finally. One more box inside. This time it is not from the paper. Seems like it's Cooper, or I don't know what is this. It's pretty light. G-Shock. Okay. Here we go, and here they are. Yeah, they are inside this pack. Okay, here they are. Casio G-Shock GA-1000 1AER. Well, like I have said before, I have not seen those watches before. And I can tell you that it looks pretty nice. I have bought these watches for my sport look. I usually do a lot of sports, gym, swimming pool, and I have decided that I need something on my trainings with me. My main watches are not good for that. Okay, here we have 4 buttons. Seems like it is lighting, neon lighting. It is better to show in the dark. But I think I will record another video about my experience with those watches a little after, maybe in a few months, when I will have that opinion. So So here we have a bracelet with dots on it, and I'm pretty sure that in summer it would be good to wear those watches, and you would not feel yourself warm on your wrists. Okay, let me remove that thing and I will show you it on my wrist. Okay, here's my knife. Okay, let's take a look how it looks like. Oh, not that. Okay. To tell you the truth, I have thought that those watches would be really big because of it is aviator, but it's not big. It's a standard middle size, and I have a middle-sized wrist. Don't know what exact size is it, but it looks pretty nice. So here is on my wrist. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, I think that's all for today. Like I said, I will record another one video in a few months and tell you my experience with Casio G-Shock GA-1000 1A-ER. So, but from the glance, I can tell you that it's pretty cool watch. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.